Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. I am looking like a total mess right now and I feel like I look either like Elvis or a cockatoo. I have a roller in my hair. I just did my cornstarch because I didn't feel like washing my hair today. It's raining outside, so there's really no point because if I go anywhere, the hair is gonna get messed up anyway. So I figured just do the cornstarch as my dry shampoo and go on about my day. This is what it's looking like right now. It finally started to rain here after a week of gloominess. I've been up for several hours now. I had 2 cups of coffee and then I had some cereal, the H-E-B Morning Sunshine cereal. It's so good. And yeah, I've just been sitting around kind of just relaxing and enjoying this gloomy, rainy day. As you can see, the cats are doing the same. That's Miss Kiki. Hi, Kiki. So yesterday I got my HelloFresh package in the mail. I was telling y'all about this probably a week ago on my community tab. HelloFresh hooked me up with the best coupon ever, so I took advantage of it and I shared the information with y'all in case y'all wanted to do the same. We got 3 meals for 2 people and I think the total was like $28, which is a total steal. There's no way I could go to the grocery store and get that many meals at that price. So the coupon is still active if y'all want to use it. I'm going to be filming me cooking the HelloFresh this week. I was actually going to cook one of the meals last night, but I forgot I had leftover spaghetti. I'm also going to be eating the spaghetti again for lunch today because I don't want it to go to waste, and then I'll be doing the HelloFresh. But the meals look absolutely delicious. We actually picked them out. So I'm really looking forward to cooking them this week and sharing it with y'all. So I have plans on doing a little bit of cleaning in here today, but not too much. So get ready for a little bit of cleaning motivation just in case you need it. But I also wanted to share this new product I got with y'all today, which I'm so excited about. I haven't even opened it yet because I wanted to do an unboxing on camera. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that now and show y'all what I got, and then I'm gonna be testing it out. So this is what I got. It is a face steamer. I have always wanted to try a face steamer. I've never tried one before. I've tried to do like face steaming with like hot water and a towel, but I never really felt like it did anything for me. So I got this. It's a nano hot facial steamer. The brand is Anlan. I'm probably not pronouncing that right, but it's spelled A-N-L-A-N. Doesn't this look so fun? I'm so excited to use it. So it says it's a super fine nano mist. It has an adjustable spraying spout and a large capacity water tank. This is gonna be so much fun and I can't wait to see what it does for my skin. I also read that steaming can help with like congestion and stuff, and I've been having a lot of allergy issues for the past few weeks, so hopefully this helps that as well. But I'm gonna do a little unboxing and see what it's all about, and then we're gonna test it out in a few minutes. I also started this new thing yesterday that I've been reading about. I don't know if y'all have heard about it. If you have, let me know down in the comments if you have any thoughts or stuff like that. But I started oil pulling. If you haven't heard of it, look into it. It's where you like swish coconut oil pulling. I don't know, it's supposed to be really good for your gums and your teeth and all that, so I'm starting that journey, or I started it yesterday. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this open and let's see if she's good. All right, so let's get this unboxing going. I went ahead and put some clothes on because I was in my pajamas and in my house coat, and I need to put clothes on anyway so I can get started on cleaning. But I figured I would change my clothes to do the unboxing. All right, so I got the plastic off. Let's go ahead and open up the box. We're gonna see what comes inside, what it looks like, and then I'll tell you all about it. So the first thing we have here is the informational pamphlet or the user manual. Those always come with loads of information inside that are very helpful when it comes to getting the product set up and just information that you need to know. So like I said, I've never owned one of these before. I don't even know how to set it up or use it, but I'm going to be checking out the user manual to figure that out. But this is what it looks like. Comes with a plug already attached. Looks like it's a nice length plug. I love when things come with a long plug because I never know where I'm going to be using a product or where I'm going to have to plug it up. It has a mirror. That is so cute. I just noticed Cannoli was in the background grooming. Just ignore her. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up and we're gonna test it out. I'm so excited. Also, look outside. The rain has gotten worse since I had started filming. Okay, seeing as I've never used a face steamer before, I just read the instructions and it seems super simple. And the first thing you're supposed to do is wash your face. So I'm actually gonna go wash my face now. And then I'm going to be filling the water tank, which is actually in the back here. And I am using bottled water for that. And then we're gonna get to steaming, but let's go wash my face first. Okay, first off, I just have to say this feels absolutely amazing, so relaxing. I could have done this for hours. It was making me want to go to sleep. Definitely a great first time experience with a facial steamer. So this steamer is going to help open up my pores and deeply hydrate my skin and moisturize my skin. It's supposed to be great for acne and oil issues, as well as pigmentation, allergies, fine lines, and dry skin. I love how simple and easy it was to use. You can hold it while you steam or have it sitting in front of you on a table or desk. It's very convenient, a nice size. It also has an intelligent temperature control. It's a one-button operation, so all you have to do is just push the button and ta-da, it turns on. I love that it has a mirror. I think it's so cute. This whole face steamer is just so pretty to me and it works great. So overall, it felt really good and I can't wait to use it again. Also, I would love to know if you are someone who uses a face steamer like this, what your routine is, because as a first-time user of a face steamer, I would love any type of tips or information, so leave it down below in the comments, and if you want to check out the product, I'll have a link down below. So after I finished steaming my face, I applied an eye serum under and around my eyes, as well as a facial serum and a lotion. And then I figured I would go ahead and put my eyebrows on. So now that I am finished with my pampering and putting my eyebrows on, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning. I'm starting off in my bedroom today. I'm going to make my bed first, vacuum the floor, and then clean my mirror, and then I'm going to move on to the rest of the apartment. So now I am moving my bird Snowflake from his big cage to his little cage so I can put him in the living room with me so he can watch me clean. You love your little bell, huh? He loves his bell. Yes, he does. Happy now. So now I'm gonna start cleaning my kitchen. I'm gonna start off by wiping off my countertops and the top of my stove, and then I'm going to be vacuuming the floor, and today I'm gonna be steam mopping.
Close to what we used to be, but I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? you feel it? How it feels, babe? Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. But I thought it through, and I'm missing you. And I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh, baby. Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe? Won't you love me the old but kind of new way? Old but kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Old but kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. Yeah. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh, baby.
Now y'all know I just knocked these cats out of that tunnel, but somehow one of them got back in there anyway. Look at her. You can see the tail. They love these tunnels, by the way.
How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old but kind of new way? Old but kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Old but kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
So I'm officially done with my cleaning for the day, and we're gonna have a little lunch. So I am putting this delicious bread in my air fryer, and then I'm gonna be reheating the spaghetti that I made the day before, and we're gonna have lunch on the balcony. So now we're outside on the balcony, and it was actually raining, so it was super pretty and peaceful and relaxing. And there's my little spaghetti plate with my garlic bread, and I'm also drinking some fruit water. These are my pretty little flowers I just got yesterday. One is a petunia and the other is a vinca. I can't wait for them to bloom and grow like my other ones. They're looking a little small right now, but I know in time they are going to blossom and be beautiful. And then of course we brought Miss Cookie outside so she can enjoy the day as well. After that, we went and got Alan a haircut, came back home, did some walking, and then I cooked dinner. I made one of my HelloFresh meals, and I'm not going to tell you anything about it because I'm going to want you to watch my HelloFresh video. But you probably already know that it turned out delicious. So anyways, thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to check out the facial steamer, I'll have it linked down below. And don't forget to check out HelloFresh. That will be listed down below as well. And the coupon code that they gave me, I don't know how long it's going to last, but it's worth trying out, y'all. See you next time. Bye.